Place your client in a position that will be comfortable for her during the waxing application. Analyze the area being treated to ensure that it is safe for treatment. Sanitize with the Cirepil Blue Lotion. This cleanser is low in alcohol and gently cleanses while it refreshes skin and prepares skin to be waxed. Apply 1 drop of pre-depilatory jasmine oil to the area. Cirepil's pre-depilatory jasmine oil creates a barrier that protects the skin. It is one of the key ingredients that makes Cirepil's happy waxing procedure less painful. Anna will show you how to apply Cirepil non-strip waxes. We are using the blue wax, which has a gel texture. Remember to always wear gloves and never double dip the wax applicator sticks. Test the temperature of the wax on your inner wrist and on your client's wrist. Firmly apply the wax onto the skin with the edge of the spatula and spread the wax. The lifting edge should not be too thin. The strip, however, should have the same thickness. Take care to follow the direction of the hair growth. Wax is usually applied in the direction of the hair growth and removed in the opposite direction. This wax plasticizes as it dries, so it doesn't break but stays flexible. You get extra time to remove it. Hold the skin firmly and remove the strip parallel to the skin with a subtle movement. Use your hand to soothe the skin after removal of the strip of wax. The knee waxing belongs to the lower legs waxing. The knee is a more difficult area. To treat it, bend the leg in order to ensure that the skin be kept taut. To start, apply the first application on the side furthest away. Then apply a strip of wax to the side facing you in such a way as to encircle the knee. Hold the skin of the knee taut and gently pull off the strip of wax. The central part of the knee is a difficult and sensitive area because of the kneecap. The first strip is applied in the middle of the kneecap in a downward direction. Create and shape the strip of wax using back and forth movements. Apply the second application of wax from the middle of the thigh towards the kneecap so as to remove all hair from the knee. Soothe the skin repeatedly with the hand after pulling off the strips of wax. The treatment of the foot completes the treatment of the legs. Ask your client to extend her legs. Never forget to do the top of the foot and the toes if your client requires it. For the thighs, we are using Crystal Ocean, a strip wax. This wax doesn't dry and is lukewarm in temperature. Do the temperatures test of the wax on your inner wrist and on your client's wrist. The client can bend her leg slightly if she wishes. Otherwise, keep it straight. Apply the wax, but this time towards the inside. Apply side strips to ensure no hair remains in the waxed area. Then apply several strips of wax on the outside of the thigh if we want to work faster. Hold the skin firmly and pull off the strip. Removal is done with a fairly broad gesture to follow the strip as it's removed. Use your hand to soothe the skin. For the back of the thighs, apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth. We advise you to use the edge and middle of the spatula to be sure the product spreads well. In the back of the lower legs, the hair grows differently from the front, from the outside towards the inside. Apply on an oblique direction following the direction of hair growth and cover the entire lower leg. Removal is necessary from the inside of the lower leg towards the outside. You can also apply strip type in straight lines, not following the direction of hair growth. For the back of thighs, remove at the opposite direction. The waxing session of the legs is complete. Sanitize with Cirepil Blue Lotion and Cirepil After Wax Refreshing Gel. This will cool and calm the skin, leaving it silky smooth. We treat underarms using a non-strip wax, Intimate 4. Cleanse the area first with the Cirepil Blue Lotion Cleanser. This lotion is low in alcohol and gently cleanses while it refreshes skin and prepares skin to be waxed. Apply 1 or 2 drops of pre-depilatory jasmine oil to the area. Cirepil's pre-depilatory jasmine oil creates a barrier that protects the skin. In underarms area, the hair grows in 2 directions, so apply the strips of wax in 2 parts. Test the wax on your inner arm and on the client's wrist. Firmly apply a strip in a thin uniform layer in one hair growth direction. The strip has a thin lifting edge. Lift the lifting edge and remove the wax in the opposite direction. Use your hand to soothe the hair removal area. A second strip will be applied in the other direction. Keep your hand firmly on the client's chest and spread the wax. The skin will always need to be well stretched for a proper application and comfort of the client. Repeat the operation in the direction of hair growth. To finish, apply Cirepil Antiseptic Blue Lotion on both underarms. Then, apply the After Wax Refreshing Gel, which is a cooling and refreshing gel containing menthol. It's non-sticky and won't redden the skin. Perron-Rigaud has a dedicated wax for the face, Cirépil Visage, as well as a spatula made especially for the face. This wax is ideal for all sensitive areas such as the face, the upper lip, the chin, and the eyebrows. First, analyze the area being treated to ensure that it is safe for treatment. Remember to always wear gloves and never double dip the applicator sticks for hygiene reasons. Sanitize the area being treated and gently wipe the extra lotion away with tissue. Test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your wrist and on the client's wrist. Divide the upper lip in 2 parts. Apply visage wax in the direction of the hair in thin layers with a lifting edge. While firmly holding the skin of the upper lip, remove the strip sharply in the opposite direction. Then, soothe the area with your finger. If the client has heavy hair distribution, you can wax the upper lip in 3 parts, left, right, and middle. Sanitize the waxed area with the blue lotion to cool and refresh. Waxing the eyebrows is a delicate operation as the eyebrows structure the face. Perron-Rigaud has a dedicated wax for the face, Cirepil Visage, as well as a spatula made especially for the face. First, analyze the area being treated to ensure that it is safe for treatment. Remember to always wear gloves and never double dip the applicator sticks for hygiene reasons. To help you measure the correct length of the eyebrows, place a small spatula to the external angle of the nose and then place the spatula at the external angle of the eye. It will give you the eyebrow length to reach. With a small brush, we're going to brush the eyebrows and define the area which needs to be cleaned. Apply blue lotion, which is an antiseptic product. Clean the line of the client's eyebrows. Wipe the eyebrow line with a tissue. Test the heat of the wax on your wrist and on the client's wrist. First, apply the wax to the area in between the eyebrows. To clean the line of the eyebrow, spread the product with the end of the spatula, sliding the wax along the line. Then, make the second application to the other eyebrow. Remove the strip of wax in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Hold the skin with very firm pressure on the eyelid. Then, remove the lifting edge gently but quickly in the opposite direction. If necessary, use the tweezers to remove a few remaining hairs. Sanitize the waxed area with the blue lotion to cool and refresh the eyebrows. To expand the eyebrow service, Perron Rigaud offers a beautiful brow makeup sculptor kit. After designing your client's brows, demonstrate how to further define them using our Cirepil brow kit. Ideal for retail, this fabulous set is perfect for maintaining brows at home between professional waxing services. Intimate 4 wax is an excellent choice when waxing bikini lines and sensitive areas. This wax dries very quickly, yet remains pliable like no other non-strip wax in the market. Assist your client by placing the leg to be waxed in the lotus position. This position allows waxing all the bikini area and, above all, is a comfortable position for the client. To lessen sensitivity for this intimate service and provide added comfort for the client, we recommend they apply pre-wax cooling gel at home to the area to be waxed 45 minutes before coming in for their service. Then, immediately before your service begins, professionally reapply in the treatment cabin. First, you will cleanse the area using Cirépil Blue Antiseptic Lotion. This lotion is low in alcohol and gently cleanses while it refreshes and prepares the skin to be waxed. Next, apply 1 drop of predepilatory jasmine oil to this area. Cirépil's predepilatory jasmine oil creates a barrier that protects the skin. After doing a test on your wrist and on the client's wrist, apply the wax in thin layers, working the application from the outside towards the inside of the leg. There are 2 parts to a bikini waxing, the upper part and the deep part. Apply the wax on the area and then spread it out to the adductor muscle in a thin layer. Make 2 strips of wax on the same side. Hold the skin taut and remove the strip parallel to the skin in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Repeat the procedure in this area, remembering to use the hand to soothe the skin. Don't hesitate to ask for the client's help with holding the panty and the skin when you wax the edge of the disposable panty. For the upper part, what we call the bikini part, there are 2 hair growth directions, from the outside toward the inside. If any hairs remain and the client is not ultra-sensitive, Cirepil wax can be reapplied in those areas without compromising the integrity of the skin. After the waxing, apply Cirepil Blue Antiseptic Lotion with its sanitizing properties. To complete the service, follow with an application of after-wax refreshing gel to soothe and refresh the skin in order to avoid redness.